founder of the Beautiful Heart Foundation, and I am here in Tagaytay City, one of the favorite tourist destinations here in the Philippines. And I'm very lucky to have with me one of the sales consultants. Please introduce yourself, sir.
Good afternoon. My name is Gab Angeles. I'm from the sales team of Megaworld Properties. Good afternoon, sir. So welcome to Twin Lakes.
First of all, can you just briefly describe to our viewers what is Tagaytay City all
Okay,
about?
first of all, Tagaytay City is a some sort of a mountain province in the Philippines. It's a famous tourist destination for its climate, cool climate, as well as its retail shops and restaurants.
How far is it from the heart of Manila?
From the heart of Manila, it would be about 60 kilometers or 2-hour drive.
And what is distinctive about the place?
First of all, Twin Lakes, distinctive of all is the view.
The view.
So,
and the view is...
you can see, I'll show you the view. You can see the Taal Lake from here, Taal Volcano as well as some mountain range.
So over there you can see the crater of the volcano.
That's the crater of the volcano.
Okay, and so what is the development going on here?
So right now, if you can see, we have a little bit of construction over here. So we're putting up 3 condominium towers.
Okay.
As well as a hotel and spa. We're also developing a vineyard over here.
So hotel towers.
Hotel towers, yes. Low-rise towers.
Oh, okay.
7 floors at maximum.
And what about condominiums?
3 condominium towers, 7 floors at maximum as well.
Oh, okay. And anyway, later on you will show us this in the plan.
We'll show you the plan.
Yeah. But can you just describe what do we see in the very near future other than the towers?
Well, you can expect biking trails, as well as nature parks, lake.
And you mentioned about the vineyards.
Yes, sir. We would have an 11-hectare vineyard.
And can you more or less point where the vineyard would be?
Okay, over here.
Okay.
Just like side. This will be the winery. This one.
Oh, so it will be a winery.
And then beyond that, as you can see the fences over there, they're starting to cultivate the vineyard.
Oh, okay.
Vines for the vineyard.
And beside the condominium hotels.
This will be the hotel, and then the one beyond it are the condominium towers.
Also, the front here will be the hotel.
Yes, sir.
And at the back will be the condominium.
Yes, sir.
Wow. And
So from the condominium towers, you would get the unobstructed view of the
and what about this area here where you already have like the full-blown shops here?
So
Is this part of the development?
Yes, sir. This is what we call the shopping village, where you can find the retail shop, the restaurant, as well as a grocery at the corner. And then this is where the showroom is also located.
And for an interested buyer, for a typical studio condominium, how much would be the investment?
An average of 7 million pesos. So in conversion divided by 45, that would be.
Yeah.
I would have to compute for that. So
Yeah, but in pesos, Philippine pesos,
Pesos, it
a
would be
typical, how many square footage?
that would be
Around 30, maybe typical of a
a
condominium.
little bit bigger, around
studio.
averaging 40
So you offer studio, 1 bedroom,
and 2 bedrooms.
so up to 2 bedrooms.
Up to 2 bedrooms.
So you're looking at maybe between 30 60 square meters.
The 2 bedroom would be about 100 square meters.
100 square meters, and the low end would be around 7 million pesos.
7 million pesos.
And the high end would be
The high end would be about 12 million.
10 billion. Okay. And what is the payment plan?
Starting from no down payment up to cash. So we have various.
So this is
payment
like a pre-selling.
pre-selling condominium development. Yes, sir.
So how much typically to start investing? Say, how much is the down payment?
10,000 pesos.
That's not even a down payment, I guess.
It's starting your monthly amortization.
Also monthly amortization. So
Yes, sir.
as low as 10,000 pesos.
Yes, sir. You can already start investing here in the Philippines, where you can already see the Taal volcano.
That doesn't matter whether you choose a one.
Well,
one
it increases.
How much
with
for
the
one?
increase.
The 10,000 is only for the
Approximately
studio.
5,000 per upgrade.
Yeah, but what I mean is, say, a client would choose a one bedroom.
Yes.
How much is the monthly for a one bedroom?
Probably a 5,000 in peso increase. So from 10 to 15.
Oh, okay. So as you go higher, maybe you go 20 for a
Yes.
two bedroom,
Yes, sir.
and that's monthly.
That's your
And
monthly amortization.
when will be the turnover of
The turnover would be 2017 to 2019. Because remember, we have 3 towers. So 2017 for the first tower, 18 for the second, and 19 for the third tower.
So, in other words, the first turnover will be
next year.
A year from now.
Yes, sir.
So right now, what you're offering is as low as 10,000 a month
Yes, sir.
until turnover.
Yes, sir. That would roughly be accumulated up to 15%, and then upon turnover, we would have a balance turnover payment, where we can do bank financing for that, or in-house financing.
What about the hotels? Is this the typical hotel?
The hotel would be the same management with the Alvisa.
But it's not the same as the one you have in Boracay, where
It would be the same with the
also
same
the
management.
same concept. Where you invest in a hotel room, you're partly.
Oh no!
Oh, is that the same?
It's not investment sharing.
Oh, is that
It's
investment?
just a simple hotel, same management, but you can't invest in the hotel here.
So
Other-
once it's finished, you just walk in as a guest.
Yes, sir.
So for those interested to invest, they go by pre-selling.
Getting a condo or a lot. We also have lots.
Oh, you have a lot.
Yes,
so
sir.
residential lot. That's
Our lots
interesting.
would range from 250 square meters to 800 square meters.
Okay. So can you more or less show where would be the residential lots located later?
See, the whole project itself is 1,200 hectares. So the residential lots would be way over there. If you can see
Also
the
beyond,
road over there,
Okay, beyond.
that's Slanting Road.
Oh,
That
okay.
would be the entrance to the residential
Also
lot.
that road there.
Yes, sir.
So you enter over there.
Yes, sir.
What about the condo? The same.
The entrance for the condominium would be coming from here.
Also, you have a different entrance.
Yes, sir. The road, there's a road at the edge.
Maybe if we have a chance later, we can
Yes.
probably see the pathway from,
Yes, sir.
from the highway. So the highway is located
At the other
here,
side of the
fronting shops,
Yes, sir.
and then on the side is the entrance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wow. So more than 100 hectares.
More than 1,000.
1,000, I mean, more than 1,000 hectares.
1.2 thousand hectares.
That would comprise residential lots,
Residentials, commercials,
commercial, condominium, and hotel.
but only up to 30% of the development. The
Because
remaining 70% would be nature inspired.
together with the vineyards.
So the vineyard, nature park.
When you say nature inspired, we need to say, do you have a trail of the forest?
Yes, we would have biking trails. We would have trekking trails.
Yeah. And how far are you from, say, from this area to the lake? Is there a way you can go close to the lake?
Well, right now we're 600 meters above sea level. And to go to the lake, it would take. We would be building a 15-kilometer road,
Yeah.
navigating.
They
along
used to
the whole-
describe Taal Lake as a volcano within a volcano.
a lake within a lake.
A lake within a lake.
Because at the crater of Taal volcano, there's also
So
a lake.
within a lake.
Yes.
Okay. So that is what you are seeing right now.
So that would be Taal Lake, and then inside the crater is another lake.
Another lake. We don't have any other lake.
This one is a crater. Small mountain. This way, that would be see the crater, but we can't see the lake.
Oh, thank you.